Hi, and welcome to the Send POS module. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Send POS feature and how to push updates from your back office directly to your register. Before we begin, it's important to understand when Send to POS is required. If you're using Crony 2.0, updates made in the back office such as pricing, products, departments, vendors, and promotions will automatically sync to your registers, and you are not required to send anything to POS. However, if you are using Crony Legacy or Gilbarco Passport or Verifone Register, then you will need to use the Send to POS feature to manually push updates to your registers. To get started, go to the Smart Search at the top, type in Send to POS and select it from the results. You can also access Send to POS through the Alerts icon at the top of the screen. When opening Alerts, you'll see different sections such as products, vendors, departments, PLUs, employees, customers, mix and match, and combo deals. You can either click on a specific section to be taken directly to that tab inside the POS, or click See All Alerts to access the full Send to POS page. Both methods will bring you to the same area. This section shows you all the items and updates that are waiting to be pushed to your POS. Anytime you make changes in the back office, such as updating prices, item details, taxes, or even configurations, those changes will appear here until they're sent to the register. At the top, you'll notice multiple tabs. Products shows item level changes like price or cost updates. Vendors displays updates related to vendor information. Departments includes any department level changes. PLU groups tracks updates made to PLU group configurations. Employees reflects employee related changes, and customers displays customer updates. We also have mix and match that shows promotional or bundle changes, combo deals that displays combo related updates, pending labels list labels waiting to be printed, and ESL tags shows electronic shelf tag updates including status and timestamps. Each tab helps you track exactly what has been modified in the system. To send updates, you can either select items individually or use the checkbox to select all the items at once. Once selected, click on Send to POS. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed. The status will change to sending, and within a short time, the updates will be applied to your register automatically. You can click the refresh button at any time to update the status and ensure all items have been processed. Once completed, the items will no longer appear in this list. You can also track what has already been sent by clicking on the POS Report. From here, you can apply a date filter such as 30 days or 40 days or whatever time frame you select, and you can click Apply. This will show you a detailed history of all items sent to the POS, including timestamps and activity. You can expand or collapse the items to view more details in the logs. If needed at any point in time, you can export this data using the export options. You can export it in CSV, Excel, or PDF files. You can even email it if you need. And that's how to use the Send to POS feature to keep your register updated with the latest changes from your back office. And that's all for the Send to POS module. It's pretty short and simple, right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification to stay updated with Cronysoft's future videos. I'll catch you guys in our next module.